Yep, it's the one.
That's what you're looking at.
No, excuse me. Oh,
That's the one.
Sir, Lasko Power Plus. $39.98. And $26.98. And at Walmart, well, before the price inflation, it was $16.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's $26. Yeah, this is the one. And as you see in the beginning of the video, I bought the Lasko Power Plus box fan, and now we're going to box it. And I've been wanting one since 2019, but I just never been able to get one. So now I got it. Yeah, I love new box fan smell. But yeah, here's the manual. I'm gonna keep the box just in case if something go wrong with it. Just the feet. I admit, it's pretty solid. Okay, so now I got the feel on the fan and it's plugged in. So I'm gonna turn it on for the first time to see if it works. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's making a scraping noise on the shaking a little bit. That's pretty common on most modern basketball box fans. So, but other than that, it seems to be moving a gentle breeze. Alright, let's turn that video. Yeah, it's moving a nice amount of air. I can feel it all the way through the closet. But other than the scraping sound on the blade and the shaking, I ain't gonna lie. It's not the best fan on the planet, but would I spend like $40? Probably not, but you know, the price inflation been crazy nowadays, so it's like, you know what I'm saying, what can you do? And besides, it's much better than the Lasko 3733, so, hey, I can't complain. It could have been worse, but, you know, it is what it is. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that somehow. But other than that, it's a nice box fan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos of the Lasko Power Plus. And turn on the post notifications whenever I post a new video, even though I don't be on this channel that much. But thanks for watching.